we're checking in with Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Seth Phillips. Seth, that's a lot of snow up there.
A lot of snow up there, yeah. I mean, to keep in mind that just in 2 weeks, 130 inches of snow. That is insane. Exactly. That is a lot of snow to fall in a short period of time. But really, with these storms that have been coming through, I mean, they had their largest 3-day snowfall total just a couple of weekends ago since 2007. That's a long time to go without a really big snowfall in just a 3-day period. Well, they had it 2 weeks ago. We're definitely getting some more coming in with this storm. Now, the bulk of that precipitation came in with the first line of showers. There it is right there. It has now made its way off to the east, hitting Lake County and parts of Modoc at this time. But we are talking about this next line right here moving in. Very scattered in nature, very light falling showers, but we are getting snow falling in the valleys at this time because snow levels sit roughly around 1,000 feet. They're going to kind of hover throughout the day, coming up a little bit once we get that daytime heating, coming right back down once we go into the evening hours. Another short wave will come through and drop those snow levels down tonight. But what we're looking at for right now, where that snow is falling, you can guess anywhere above 1,000 feet. Accumulation, though, that is the big word of the day. Where will it stick? Where will it not? Where will you find snow when you wake up this morning? Not in the valleys. In fact, you have to get above 1,500 feet to start seeing that sticking, and then at that point it's still very light. So what we're looking at for right now as far as temperatures go, cold air. Cold air has come in behind the front. It will continue to bring in cold air throughout the day, so we're really not going to rise a whole lot, but we are expecting temperatures back up to about where they were, but cooler by about 3 or 4 degrees in the afternoon. As far as winds go right now, calm or light, not expected to do a whole lot out there because the storm is basically now going to be moving through and moving its way out. But these are your afternoon temperatures, 40s, 30s, all the way down to the 20s for some of our higher locations, but light and scattered showers. It's all we're really going to be seeing today because the bulk of that precipitation came in early this morning. So our winter weather advisory does stay in effect, but it only goes until about 4 o'clock when those showers will start to lighten up even more. Still expecting anywhere up to 5 inches below 3,000 feet. If you're above, another 4 to 10 inches expected throughout the day today. So we also have that winter storm warning. Now let's go over the next 24 hours, kind of give you an idea of how this thing is going to play out. We're getting the scattered shower activity right now, another push coming in, and that's going to keep those snow showers going, keeping snow falling in the valleys. But then you'll notice that as we go throughout the day, that daytime heating kind of brings up the snow levels a little bit. So as those showers go through, you'll see a little bit of green, a little bit of pink in some of those valley areas. That's because snow levels come up. Then they go back down as another storm comes through, and we are going to be expecting that light and isolated shower activity as we head into Christmas. I know the big question is, will we have a white Christmas in the valleys? Not looking likely. In fact, I can say with pretty much confidence at this point, nothing will stick on the grounds on the valley floors. You get up to about Ashland and then higher than that, that's where you're going to be seeing the snow stick around. But as temperatures come up through the day, it's going to melt off that snow, especially in Ashland. So a lot of our residents may see snow this morning. By the afternoon, likely not going to happen. So snow estimates throughout Friday morning. This is what it's looking like based on your elevation. Below 1,500 feet, not looking like much. Maybe up to an inch. We've already had an inch of accumulation in Eagle Point. It's likely some of that is melted off by now. But you can just imagine that the higher up you go, the more snow you're likely to get and then keep. Let's go throughout the south coast for today. We're talking about scattered rain, breezy conditions at times. Northern California, the rest of our inland locations will keep the scattered rain and snow showers throughout the day. Snow for the basin. Everybody sits at about 4,000 feet or above, so we're looking at just snow for there, snow for the mountains as well. But as you get into the valley, it's going to be that 1,200-foot mark as to where we keep the snow falling throughout the day because we'll keep hovering above and below that 1,200-foot mark. So going throughout Christmas, we keep the scattered showers going. That turns a little bit more isolated for others. By the afternoon of Christmas, that's when everything is wrapping up. Then we go into Saturday with a dry day. In fact, most of the weekend is looking pretty dry. We don't get our next round of showers until about Sunday night for most residents in the region. And then that weak cold front is already over by the morning on Monday. So really not expecting a whole lot coming up the next few days. It's just this storm that we're focused on. We already have chain requirements in many of the passes right now. So that's something to keep in mind. Weather and traffic is coming up in just a little bit, and I'll of course tell you which passes right now have those chain requirements so that way you can better prepare your travel.
All right, Seth, thank you so much for all the information. Appreciate it.